Hello everyone, welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. In this video, we are asked to find the value of x. So we have that x, the power of x, is equal to 3 to the power of x plus 243. Now recall that in indices, if I have a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So we apply this rule here. Thus, we have that x to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 243. So at this point, we will divide both sides by 3 to the power of x. So 3 to the power of x will cancel out. So we have that x to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 243. Also, if I have a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n, this can be expressed as a divided by b all to the power of n. Thus, the left-hand side becomes x divided by 3 all to the power of x equal to 3 to the power of 243. So at this point, we multiply both sides of the index by 1 divided by 3. So we have that x divided by 3 all the way to the power of x times 1 divided by 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 243 times 1 divided by 3. So at this point, we have it that x times 1 is x. So we have that x divided by 3 all to the power of x divided by 3 equal to, if 3 come here, we have 1. 243 divided by 3 is 81. So we have that 3 raised to the power of 81. Now, if you look at the left-hand side, the base is equal to the index. But at the right-hand side, the base is 3 and the index is 81. So how can we express the index and the base to be equal? Now, watch out. We know that 3 times 27 is equal to 81. So therefore, we have that x divided by 3 all to the power of x divided by 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 3 times 27. And this can be expressed as 3 to the power of 3 all to the power of 27. And we know that 3 to the power of 3 is 27. So we have that x divided by 3 all to the power of x divided by 3 is equal to 27 to the power of 27. Now at this point, the basis and the index are the same. So we have that x divided by 3 is equal to 27. So therefore, x is equal to 27 times 3. That means x is equal to 81. Now, at this point, let's check if our answer is correct. Recall that we are given that x raised to the power of x is equal to 3 raised to the power of x plus 243. Now, the value of x is 81. So we have that 81 to the power of 81 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 81 plus 243. So we have that 81 to the power of 81 is equal to 3. 81 plus 243 is equal to 324. 81 to the power of 81 is equal to 3.866 times 10 raised to the power of 154. And also, 3 raised to the power of 324 is giving us 3.866 times 10 raised to the power of 154. So therefore, the value of x is equal to 81. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us by liking this video and also subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.